Hello guys, my name is Faisal Dadabhoy. I am a ServiceNow consultant. I really like building applications within ServiceNow. I build an application that I feel is really cool and it looks and feels really nice. If you have a need for it, I feel your business will like it. There is nothing like this exist within ServiceNow. So I got the idea to build this application from ServiceNow Share. There is an application called CI Comparer. It is built by Andrew Venables. I hope I didn't butcher his last name. He had built an application to compare the CI's configuration items. So I basically used some of his code and added images, jazz, and customization where it could be used for any table. I call this application product comparer. It basically compares number of products and it can be customized with few clicks to run on any table. First, I'm going to provide a demo of the product. Afterwards, I will show you how it can be customized for your needs. Also, I will attach installation instructions and update set. So let's look at this application. So before I demo this application, I'm gonna just show you what the data looks like. So this is the module that I've built, product comparer. So I'm gonna click on cars. It's basically I've created some demo data for the comparison purposes. So I'm gonna click on the first record, which is for a car called BMW, and then if you try to observe the data, it's sales type of data: quantity sold this month, quantity sold last 3 months, and then some yearly information, and then it has a image of a car. All right, so how does this work? Okay, so I'm gonna now go to product comparer, and then I can select product 1, product 2, and additional products. So let me just go select the product. So in that case, I'll select the first record that we observed, and I've got a BMW here. Then the second product I'm gonna select is Lexus. So if I need to add another product, I'm gonna click on add another, which adds another product for me to compare. Then in that case, I'm just gonna select Acura, and then I'll add another one because I need to compare another product. And then in that case, what I'm gonna do is click Cadillac. All right, so in Cadillac, there is really no image. So it's looking for an image, but it's not finding it. So it just basically displays an stock image, letting the user know that in that case, the image doesn't exist. Let's add another one. So I'm gonna just add infinity here. All right, so that's basically how you got an idea how this application works. But let's say you have a custom table or you have a out of the box table and you want to use this module. How would you go about it? It's pretty simple. Like I was saying, that it's basically few clicks, or it's fairly quick to customize it. So I'm going to go to property in this case. So we're using cars to compare, or the table that I'm using is cars, but I don't want to use this table. I want to use something that's out of the box. Let's say we want to use KB knowledge, the knowledge table. So what I would just delete cars and I would put the new table name. Okay, what this right here is, it's that. So if you have fields that you don't really want to compare or you really don't want to display, so basically you want to add those fields here, comma separated, like I have done. Basically I don't really have need to compare this data, so the fields that you don't want to compare, you basically listed right here. What this is right here is the image field. So it wants to know where your images are held at. So when it pulls when it pulls the images, it's gonna pull from here. In KB knowledge, I don't think there is an image field, so I'm gonna just clear this out. So if I clear this out, it's not gonna look for it. All right, and this is the property for it wants to know what is the display field. So generally your display field for out of the box table is going to be name, or for the custom table that you have created is going to be and generally it's u underscore name. In some of the tasks table like incident and change, it's number, but in this case it is number, so we're just going to change that to number, and in that case I'm just going to go ahead and save it. All right, so now I'm going to go back to uh, product comparator module, and I'm gonna basically click on products to compare. So in that case, I have a knowledge article. It's displaying knowledge because now we have customized it. This is not a good scenario to compare knowledge, but if you, I guess, I mean, I don't know why would you use knowledge, but I'm just for the demo purposes, I'm showing you that it could be used for any table. So I could click on another knowledge article, and then that's how I could basically create knowledge, compare knowledge articles. Okay, as far as use for this product, uh, where do I where do I see this product to be most useful? I feel if you have an instance where you have any sort of performance or sales data, this product could be very useful to compare data, or it can also be useful for stacking any data where comparison is useful. I plan to upload this development or application to Share Site. Just waiting for my user ID. I guess one needs a high account to upload to Share. Since this was built on my own time, I wanted to upload outside of where I am consulting. All right, I'm going to show you very quickly as far as if you want to install this application the way I showed you cars, how would you install it? So I'm going to add two update sets. So you want to go ahead and install the product compare update set first. So in that case, in this instance, I've committed it. Then there is another update set called product compare demo table. So the demo table is basically it installs the car table and then anything that's needed for me to demo for the demo purposes or demo data basically. So you want to install that update set. One last thing you want to do, and that I'm going to add, that is it's I'm going to add uh, a XML file called demo data cars. What that is, it's so when you install these two update sets and you go and click on the cars, basically this table is going to be empty. So what you want to do is you want to import XML, and then you want to choose the file and you want to click on demo data cars, and when you upload this, it'll basically import this demo data, so you could test it in your instance just to make sure that everything is working. I so I think that's all I wanted to show as far as how this product works and how it could be installed and where it could be useful. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. I plan to upload some more videos in near future. Thank you for watching and have a great day. Bye. Thanks.